Hello, today I'm going to make the attempt to teach you how to make a fortune teller slash cootie catcher. First off, we need square paper. So unless you have square paper, you make it square by taking the skinny edge to the long edge, making a right angle triangle. And then we have this part right here. I like to turn it over and get it lined up exactly where that corner is as best you can. That'll make your paper squarer, more square. And now I'm taking my fingernail and I'm creasing this really well. I flip it over and look at it. It's a little off, but it's not too bad. I rotate it over, pull it a little bit, and then we're going to crease it again with our fingernail or scissors or something else. And I like to do it one more time. That makes it real easy to tear off and we don't have to have scissors. All right, next step is we carefully pull. I like to pull from both edges, that way the corners where it's most likely to tear is right there. So we start here. So notice how I have my fingernail there. And we come in and we just tear this little bit off right there, pulling gently. And there we go. Without scissors, sans scissors. Now we already have one of our lines for our middle. So I'm going to go corner to corner. Notice how I start here at the corner, I go to the middle and then out. That's actually proper technique. And then we go here, make sure it looks real good. The next step is super simple. For these fortune tellers, all you have to remember is corner to middle, rotate, corner to middle, rotate, corner to middle, rotate, corner to middle. We have so many right angle or 90-degree triangles right now, it's not even funny. Then the hard part, flip it over. And then what do we have to remember? We have to remember corner to middle, crease, rotate, corner to middle, crease, corner to middle, crease, corner to middle, crease. Now I like to take the back edge of my fingernail and go around, make sure everything is nice and crisp and clean so it folds nicely. I need to make sure I get all these. Not a perfect one, but good enough. All right, the next step, turn it over. I think it works easier. Carefully, by holding on this side, you fold it in half, crease it, unfold, holding the back side together, fold, make sure it stays flat, crease it, there we are. Now, next step is super easy if you did it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there we go. Fortune teller. And we have made one in right around 3 minutes. Most excellent fortune tellers or cootie catchers. Have a great day.